Hi, in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of how Airfig allows you to display your Airtable records in Figma. Here we have an Airtable, and in this one you can see we have a list of countries, and the fields are country name, capital name, flag, continent, and so on. And we're filtered by this South American view. So if we now flip over to Figma, you can see that I've got a component card here, and in that component card we have a placeholder for the flag and two text placeholders for the country name and capital name. So if I drag this in here with the option key down to give me an instance, then we are ready to Airfig. So let's open it up. And you can see that we're already connected to our Airtable, and I can see the base I want here. That is the Airfig demo base. I want the table countries of the world, and the view I want is South America. In the mapping area here, you can see that certain Airtable fields are already mapped to the correct Figma layer because they have the same names, flag, flag. The other one that we want is capital. It is not mapped. That is because if you pop up this little mapping menu here, you can see it's called capital name, not capital, but we can map it manually. That's why it's blue there. Down here, we can see in the layout area that we've got the country card selected. We've got a 2x6 layout. Let's do 8 horizontal space, 8 vertical space. We're going to start from record 1, go to record 12, which is all of them. We're going to do a fixed layout. You can also do fluid layouts, and we're all set to go. So let's just hit run, and there are our 12 records displayed here. And as you can see, Airfig has added AF layout, a frame around the layout it's created. When AF layout is selected, you can see that the update and reset buttons become available. If we hit reset, it will immediately take us back to the instance of the component, and we can make adjustments. So let's take this up to 24 for the distance between them horizontally and 16 vertically, and run again. Much nicer layout. So we can also, if the records change in Airtable, you can just click update here and hit update, and that will update the contents in the cards without altering the layout in the slightest. So that's how Airfig basically works, and I hope you enjoy it, and happy airfigging.